Alright, never mind. I give up. Whitecat does FC Chimera? Wait, are you serious? Holy shit! Did you guys know that that slider is an OWO slider? I didn't realize that for the longest time, dude.
I'll make a bargain. You take me aboard your rocket ship. I'll show you.
Yo, what are the odds that Vivisky fucking rips this and posts this to his channel again? Hey! Bros, I just want to remind you all that my name is BTMC, alright? Just because he puts Beast Troll MC Reacts in the title doesn't mean that's my name, bro. We moved on, dude. The name is BTMC. You should also check me out at twitch.tv/BTMC. Also, youtube.com/C/BTMC Live. Thank you very much. All right, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Twitch. I appreciate that. Thank you. What can I say, dude? That's how we get around it, bros. I'll just do that for every single replay I watch. That's all I'm gonna do, dude. That's how we fix it. Wait, he's SSing. Wait, he hasn't dropped a single 100. Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? His first 100 is on a slider. A slider end. Okay. Now it's time for the hard part.
Yes.
All that is easy. All that is nothing, dude. I could do that. He double tap. Oh God. Man! Dude, his aim makes no fucking sense to me, dude. He doesn't sweat on these jumps. His aim is smooth as fuck. Zero issues. Holy fuck, man.
Yes,
Is this what true genetics look like? The left-handed buff? I'm just kidding.
Are we ready?
Dude, I don't understand the rhythm on this section, dude. It almost feels like pure randomness. He's not even shaking, bro. He doesn't give a fuck. This is dumb, dude. It's like he doesn't care. He's just like, today I feel like FCing Sound Chimera. Let's just go ahead and do that real quick. Oh shit, we did it. Yeah, Poggers, I guess. Or should I say, we fucking did it. Holy fuck. Oh yeah. Man. Alright, it's my turn. Chat, today we snipe Whitecat. I said today we snipe Whitecat. Today we snipe Whitecat.
I'll make a bargain. You take me aboard your rocket ship. I'll show you.
Feeling like I'm Batman, fighting like my last chance. Just got from city, you could go and call him Batman. I roll the night, saving hoes that are enemy. Louis belt him out, compare a couple of
Yes, holy shit, that's good.
Yep. Man. Yep, we'll definitely snipe Whitecat, all right.